What an adventurous run from a defence. Shot at goal! And in again! And he's done it!
What a start! And what a contribution from the main man. I had a feeling he might do something, given his reputation, but to do it like that, absolutely brilliant. I wasn't expecting that.
Courtois reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
In comes the... He's gone for it! He has done it! Hot knife through butter! They have done it again! Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
He's made it two, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Ronaldo won a hat-trick. What do you think that'll mean to him, Jim?
I think it'll mean a huge amount.
Cristiano Ronaldo gets... Oh, shooting chance! And it's there! And surely that settles it.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
He snuffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of goal. What a display, what a player.
Asshole. Jesus! No! This is a joke! You little bitch! Oh my God! Fucking... Hey! This is bad. Thank you!
switched on. We gotta move now! North! We'll leg it from here, let's go! French truck, you up? We're good! Communication and ability to repel are compromised! We're out of options!
but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads. I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Mac this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You've done the impossible, Jet. You shut up Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winner.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Oh!
Nice moves.
Don't expect that to work next time.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
One enemy remaining.
That's it, break time. Dead! Target sighted A. What?
Last player standing.
Knife deployed. Enemy suppressed. Grenade.
Spike down B.
Good attack.
One enemy remaining.
Flash. Next time, mind the heavy machinery.
Reloading.
Wind blade. I'll keep this close. Wind blade. Wind blade.